Hello, welcome to Limitless Learning, part 48. Today we have with us Saili ma'am, and we're going to have a very important discussion regarding preschoolers. What routine should they follow?
Now when we say preschoolers routine, first thing is that they have to go to bed very early.
Yes,
So
early to bed, early to rise.
Yes, so that is very important. So now schools have started, and we are seeing that kids who are going early to bed, they are more settled,
More settled. Yes, and they also understand what is happening in the class.
Exactly. So they are not sleepy, they are
Yes.
not cranky.
Yes, very
Because usually, preschoolers, in preschool we see age group from 1.5 to 6 years.
Yes.
So at this age, brain gets really 90% of brain gets developed, yes. So sleep is such an important factor in that. So parents need to make sure that they are sleeping really early, 8:30 timing, I would say.
Even weekends, that schedule should be followed.
Yes, and weekends also, please.
yes, because then weekends, if they are going out and all, the whole schedule is disturbed for
Exactly. Means if you have seen earlier our episodes of Limitless Learning, we have been continuously saying consistency is the only factor which works with preschoolers.
Yes.
So yes, with the sleep pattern also consistency is very important. Second is that the tiffin. So when we say routine, that time in school actually they have set routine.
Yes.
But when they come from home also, that time also that routine needs to be very much set. That okay, I know that once I get up, I need to brush my teeth, I need to go to washroom, I need to take bath, and then need to put on my uniform, shoes, get ready for the school, and then I need to eat my breakfast and come to school. So this is such a simple routine. But in this routine, if there is one step is missed, for child, for us, for an adult, it's not something very important.
It's a big thing
Which is happening. But then for a child, yes, it is very important.
Yes.
So they they feel that something is missed out, something has happened. And then whether mummy has given them favorite tiffin or not. So all these things matter. So I need to pick up my tiffin. So when my daughter was very small, when she was in that preschool age, that time I used to ask her, what is your favorite time? So she was in my lunchtime is my favorite time. But she used to tell me one day prior that Mama, I want this in my tiffin.
Yes.
So I think routine means you need to understand that it's not just big things, that okay, she is going to school or he is going to school and coming back, but before and after,
That is also
what is happening, that is also very important for a child. So yes, this is one thing. And then
Screen time, what do we say?
Screen time, yes, we say that you have to keep it minimal, because with our lot of experience of running school and being with kids, most of the time culprit is screen time. When any
If mother's busy in the kitchen or office or meetings,
yes,
okay, sit in front of the TV.
TV, if grandparents are not able to move with the child, then
Easiest thing is give a mobile
they
and
give a mobile and keep child busy.
Yeah.
In fact, nowadays, nannies who are there at home, they also
do the same thing. Very
So
true.
we have seen many cases like that. But then later on, child is the only person who will suffer
in the long run.
in
Very
the
true.
long run. So we suggest minimal screen time.
Important.
Then yes.
Yes.
And then
Story time also.
story time. So when we say that you need to make your child sleep early, so there has to be routine. That okay, I had my outdoor play time. Then after that, if you want to get freshen up, then after that dinner time, then bedtime story.
Yes.
Now in bedtime story, you can have different themes in that. We have been telling parents that you can tell so many different stories with feelings, emotions, sharing, caring.
Yes.
There are a lot of topics can be
discussed
with the child, and we feel that with the preschool playgroup kids or nursery kids, if their speech is not very clear, that if child is not able to communicate, that child is not understanding. It's not like that. You need to discuss.
Yes.
You need to tell them that these things we have learned. These things we have to do.
Yes.
So, and you have to behave that way.
Okay.
Then it helps. So I think entire routine, when we say that time, consistency is the key. So
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for your important tips. So, parents, consistency is the key, and if you are there, your child will also follow whatever you are saying. So, thank you very much, Saili ma'am.
Thank
you, and see you soon.